Tesseract. Or your brother's head.
Kill away. All right, stop!
We don't have the Tesseract. It was destroyed on Asgard. You really are the worst, brother.
I assure you, brother, the sun will shine on us again.